Hi, hello. My name is Mark from Unikim Metal Products Company Limited, and today I'm here just to introduce our spigot systems to you. So, for people who aren't aware, spigots are these things for glass ratings. These are one of the four main types of systems we use for glass ratings. They're very popular for swimming pools and harbour, but they are very versatile and can be used anywhere, indoor or outdoor, in all sorts of different environments, office, homes, etc. So, spigots, like all our main components, we finish them with three different finishes, with the brushed satin finish, with the highly polished mirror finish, and with a matte black finish as well. That goes for all our components. Obviously for very large orders we can do any colour, but these are our main finishes. And then with the spigots then, they come in two different sizes. We have 180 millimeters and 160. I think these ones here are 160, but we also manufacture them a bit higher at 180 millimeters. And then there's two different shapes. There's the square and the round. Okay, this is the round here with the plate on it. And they come with a cover as standard. And they also come, so here are the covers, so they will come with this, right? And then the main component itself is a single cast item. So it's very heavy duty and very, very thick, very heavy. Maybe we can show it in the video, the weight of these. And they come with a bottom plate as well. So this bottom plate, its function is to make sure it's very even. So there's four little ratchets here that you can change with an Allen key to make sure that this is perfectly even. Thank you. And so with spigots then, we cast these in 2205, AISI 2205, 316 and 304. So 2205 is probably our most popular one, and it's especially highly corrosive, resistant standard of stainless steel that is used for environments such as swimming pools with a very high chlorine in the air, a lot of chlorine, or it's going to come in touch with the actual chlorine from the water, and also for sea harbours where a lot of sea salt in the air. So basically for environments where you need a lot of resistance to corrosion, the 2205 is specially designed for such environments, and this is our most popular spigot that we manufacture. We also manufacture 316, which is for everyday normal outdoor use where it's going to see a lot of rain, etc. And 304, which is more designed for indoor, where it doesn't get too wet. Okay, so these are our spigots. We also have this one as well that I need to mention. This is a side-mounted one, and this is very versatile. So it isn't screwed in at the top; it's screwed in at the side, like this, right? And we're seeing that these are very popular now for restaurants and places like that want to have like a glass partition on the counter. So these are good for that. They're also good for ratings, standard ratings as well. But back to our main spigots, these ones, this is the square one, this is a 2205. So very easy to install. The glass doesn't have to be drilled, it doesn't need holes. It's to fit glass between 8 millimeters and 13 millimeters. So basically, you start in the glass, and every piece of glass will have two spigots, one at each end, and then there's an Allen key. There's some bolts here that you tighten with an Allen key, and obviously then will come with a plastic to fit the size of glass that you need, anywhere between 8 millimeters and 13 millimeters. And the same Allen key then is used for the bottom plate to make sure that it's even. So when we're talking about spigots then, we need to mention the clamps as well. We have these clamps for, as you can see here on the diagram. This diagram has two different clamps, but really you only need one in the middle. But you can use two if you wish, if people prefer to, they think it looks better. So these clamps go between each pane of glass. We also have corner ones as well for the corner, and of course the wall-mounted ones as well, so for when the rating meets a wall. And if you don't want to go with the clamps, but you still want that solidity, and what we can do is we can use a handrail It's a slot tube handrail that can go with the glass too, and it comes with all the standard components that you would need for any handrail, for the corner elbows, also adjustable ones for stairs, etc. And then the connectors, any connectors that you would expect with a handrail system, we have them for the slot tube. Okay, so that's a basic introduction to our spigots, and we're going to show them now up close to get you a better look.